As Russia used a lot of area-covering weapon system, they consume high amounts of ammunition. This uses Ukraine's superior drone surveillance to their advantage to scoop out and send back coordinates to ammunition depots. And as Russia just places equipment and resources out in the open, sometimes they are fairly easy to spot. While uncertain if it was a drone, artillery or GMLRS strike that started the chain reaction this time, once spotted, there isn't much Russia can do. As a fire had spread around the rockets, a larger explosion occurred as many of the rockets detonated, resulting in less rocket that can be shot at Ukraine's position, leaving the drone to go and spot after new targets. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.